Good morning, sir. Myself, Karthik Ruplani from Vidyarama School, class 7. Sir, as we all know now, the world is speedily moving towards the electrical vehicles. Now, to charge electrical vehicles with wire can be hazardous. Now, to charge electrical vehicles with wirelessly, we have made this model known as wireless car charging station with solar panel. This model is very eco-friendly because, as you can see, this is working with solar panel. Now when the consider this is electrical car. So when electrical car comes here to charge, so this is a power station controller. Solar panel absorbs solar energy, which we all know is in DC current, direct current. So direct current charges battery. When this battery comes, here this you can see LEDs glowing. We can see if LED glow, we have a proof that this charging is successful. Now how this charging is successful? So you can see here is a copper coil inside it, and car has also copper coil inside it. Now a question is here: does every electrical car contains copper coil? So yes, it's right. Every copper coil in electrical car is now commonly seen. So when car comes, it glows. Now how is the process? Come here. This is three-phase source. Now what is meant by three-phase source? You can consider here phase as three steps. So three-step source. Now first, when solar panels absorbs DC current or solar energy, we convert it into AC current because we know difference between AC and DC. DC is used for short distance circuit and AC used for long distance. So DC to AC is converted here. Now compensation. Now in the part of compensation is here. Now what is meant by compensation? Compensation means the converter of electrical energy. Conversion of electrical energy is also known as compensation. Now consider this as a ground pad inside a coil, and this is car's coil. This coil makes electromagnetic induction. Now what is meant by electromagnetic induction? Electromagnetic induction is the process where a changing magnetic field from the primary where electrical current or voltage is generated in a conductor. Now conductor are a substances which allow electricity to pass through them.
Okay.
Now this coil makes electromagnetic induction and charges automatically without wirelessly. These two coils make connection with electromagnetic induction, but not by touching, not by physical contact. This coil induces a current.
Wireless.
This primary coil induces current to the secondary coil by making a general transformer, especially when wound on a core-like structure, by cutting north and south pole. Because when electric current when generates, when north and south pole are cutted.
Okay.
Then, as we all know, battery needs DC current to charge.
Okay.
So the AC current we make here will again converted in DC current to charge the battery. Now let's come on the topic of advantages. This has the advantages of it has no shock, no risk, because the product is baked on the basis of it. Why no shock? Because it's not by wire charging or with a physical contact.
Okay.
Physical contact means touching of substances. Heat it does not contain it. So when it comes, it charges automatically.
So you have told us कि AC converted into DC. So how that conversion possible means which type of
Cars contains inverter, electrical cars.
you written there rectifier. So what is the function of rectifier? So are you hearing about the rectifier?
Rectifier or power regulator. Power regulator means which contains power of it, or we also known as its name of inverter.
What is compensation?
I